Okay, I just can't figure out where the hell in my house has decent lighting. So today we're in the living room because my dining table is not good lighting for this. Even though it would be like prime spot to do this, but ain't happening. All right, so today I'm actually doing a DIY video. I tested this out a little bit last night just to make sure I could do it. I do have this bottle cutting kit that I would like to share with you guys. This is from the Home Pro shop. It comes with everything you need besides bottles. So I personally like blue glass a lot. So I got these, I forget what these are called again, but it's like they're a French beer and it's like very fruity. It's really yummy. They come in this beautiful blue glass. And then we also got some Stella Artois and it comes in a green glass because I'm more into the colored glass. So this kit comes with 2 gloves. These are the bottle cutting gloves. These would make great gardening gloves as well. I'm loving the gradient on them. They're pretty sweet actually. That's just for your safety if that's something that you need to use. Comes with some extra pieces. This is the bottle cutter itself. This is going to be etching the bottle. It comes with a hand etcher as well. This is more for like tiles and stained glass and mirrors, but you can also use it just on your bottles as well. This also unscrews at the back, but that's there too if you need that. It comes with sandpaper. I've already used this a bit, but it comes with a sheet of sandpaper, so you can smooth the edges of your bottles after cutting. And then it also comes with a bonus audiobook and ebook and a lifetime warranty, which is sweet. I'm going to start off, like this is very easy. So depending where you want to cut the glass, you're gonna adjust this part of it. And then you can tighten it. You just want to etch around one complete circle. You don't want to go around and around. So this will make a clean cut. And you're going to hear a little bit of like a that was a success. I feel like I could get a little bit more used to it. This is the cleanest break. This one cracked a little bit, so I'm not gonna be using that. I'm just gonna go ahead and sand these 2. So when sanding these, you want to make sure to get the inside and the outside, and then I just smooth the top of it a little bit. I've seen a lot of interesting ones on Pinterest. I'll just throw a couple images up here for inspiration. Thank you guys for joining me again today. I really appreciate it. Bye everyone.